What's going on YouTube? So I have an unboxing video for you guys today. I got my 4K camcorder. The mailman just came by today. So let's do the unboxing. Let's see. Now this is the Sony FDR-AX33. In case you guys are wondering what the model number is. This one is used, but it's supposed to be in mint condition. I got this off of eBay for about $508. It's in a lot of bubble wrap. I really like how well protected. Sorry about this. This is going to take a little bit. This is going to take a little bit long. I may have to cut the video. Now this did come from a female that's named Kathy. Now it should come with the charger. I'll be right back. Alright, I'm back. I had to pause the video because this was going to take too long. Alright, so here's the camcorder. Unfortunately, I don't know why this one didn't come with a box. But I'm really amazed of how well she packaged this. Oh wow, that's humongous. The FDR-AX33 camcorder, and this one is in mint condition. Wow. And I do believe that the chargers and accessories do come, I'm guessing that they are in here too. I don't know why she didn't come with a box. But yeah, that thing is humongous. So there's the camcorder itself. I'm just, wow. Talking about mint condition. So it does have 10 times optical zoom, and you can use this to manually focus or zoom in manually. Wow. Now, unfortunately, well, with the only thing that difference between this one and the other one is the Sony FDR-AX33 comes with a does not come with a built-in charger. I think it does. I think they do include it, but it's just not built inside the camcorder itself. Wow. Doesn't really zoom that far, but this does not come with the optical zoom. It is low on battery, so she didn't really charge it up. But yes, that's that. So now we're going to be going into the charger. Let me turn this off. I know I turned it off. Oh, we'll worry about that a little bit later. So that's the 4K camcorder. Now, I believe that this is the charger that goes along with it, if I remember correctly. I'm making a big mess here. Yep, so this is the charger that goes along with it, I believe. Dang, she really packaged this very well. I'm impressed with how well she packaged this. Just to make sure it's protected and all. Alright, so here's the charger itself. All I need to get is a memory card, but that one's coming in the mail on Sunday. So this right here is, I believe... Alright, so this is an HDMI cable. And I don't think it comes with a charger. I think she might have forgot to include the charger. Oh well, I still have an extra one in there, I believe. Unless this one takes a different one. But that's a Sony charger right there. And I didn't miss anything. So yeah, she did not... I'm trying to see how this... Oh. Oh well, it's okay if she doesn't include a charger, unless I'm missing something. Nope. So it does not come with a charger, but however, I think this is a charger. I'm just not quite sure if this is the charger or not. I don't know what this is, whatever this is. But yeah, so it does not come with a charger. But I do have I do have the same one. I think it does take the same adapter, I believe. If it does. Now let's turn this off real quick. Trying to see if it comes with... Oh yeah. So here's the charger itself. It's okay she doesn't include a charger because I have one for my FDR-AX33. So it does use the same charger. So yeah, so that's the unboxing video. I don't know why this one did not come with a box, but that's okay. Nor did it come with an instruction manual. Guess you might have forgot to include that. But yeah, so that's basically my unboxing video, and there will be a video test coming out soon. Thank you guys for watching.